family that lived in a small town in the island of Luzon. Her father's farm had been destroyed by a flood, so they moved to a new place. They have a very rich neighbor with only one daughter and a tall house.
Wow, Dad, this place is better than our house before. We even have a rich neighbor.
Yes, Christoph, we will start a better life here.
So instead, it is hot in here.
The family always play outside their house, eat or slept. They always laugh and enjoy every moment that their neighbor would join them in having fun. The rich neighbor and her daughter watched them from their window.
It is so hot outside, so just stay here and read your books.
Mom, why do you always play and have fun outside while I'm here always reading books? I'm not allowed to go out.
It is for your own sake.
Yaya,
Yes, madam. Can you please prepare our food? My daughter is hungry. The food is ready, madam.
The rich family servant usually cook a special food and the poor family son smelled the delicious aroma.
It smells so delicious. I wish we had that food in our home.
Dear, are you okay? Why do you look so pale?
I'm not feeling well, Mom, and I don't know why.
How come my daughter got thin when she always ate delicious food, while our neighbor's son looks so healthy but he didn't usually eat?
One day, the rich neighbor looked at the poor neighbor's daughter and immediately closed all the windows.
I knew it. They have been smelling and stealing the spirit of our food.
That's why my daughter got thin.
From that day on, the windows were always closed. But still, they can smell the aroma of the food the servant was cooking.
Why our neighbor always closes their window? That's okay, we can still smell the delicious aroma from their food.
One morning, a policewoman knocked on their door.
Is anybody home? Yes, is your husband home? I need to talk to him.
Yes, officer, what seems to be the problem here?
Mr. Stevens, your rich neighbor filed a complaint against you. Can you come to court tomorrow?
Yes, officer, me and my family will be there.
They were left wondering what the problem was.
To be the problem our rich neighbor has with us.
I don't really know if we did anything to them to make them file a complaint against us.
The trial came. The poor family arrived first in court. Then the rich woman with her young lawyer arrived next.
Please be silent. The judge will now enter the court. For the trial, please all arise. Court is now in session. Please all be seated. Order of the court, please call the accused. Do you have a lawyer?
I think I don't need one, sir. Thank you for asking.
Do you agree that it's in the spirit of the food?
No, sir, I strongly disagree with that question.
Do you agree that it will say beside the window is smelling the delicious aroma of the food?
I agree with that question, sir.
Also agree that your child got obese and asking that the child of your neighbor got thin and pale?
I think I will also agree that question, sir. Honor, may I say our neighbor child?
Bring the compliance child inside.
Then the children shyly entered the courtroom looking thin and pale. Then the father asked questions to the complainant and she all agreed. She also agreed that the farmer's family stole the spirit of their food just by smelling the aroma.
Your Honor, may I walk across the courtroom?
The father walked across the room of the courthouse with the judge's permission. In his hands is a hat full of coins.
Do you hear the spirit in the tinkle of the coin? Yes, I heard it. If you heard it, then you and your
The judge agreed and the courtroom got filled with laughter, but the judge was the loudest of them all.